here I show you how to make the flange. It was cut here and bent here, and I add the clamp here and another 2 pieces there, so I can vary the size here and here to shoot the size of the workpiece or the frame. Here is the routers under milling the plastic materials. The plastic is the POM or acetal material, engineering plastic. And I use a 8mm milling bit, and this is 4-foot milling bit, so I need to add the lubricants or coolant there in order to prevent it from melting the plastic bit and sticking on the milling bit. And here I add the 4 clamp here. This is a very thin material, angle sheet, aluminum extrusion. And here I use a wooden clamp to clamp down. To the coolant, and the chips will remain within the flange. Here is the height gauge. Thank you for your work. Now the machine is operating the high-speed cutting. Or the length of cutting 8mm. So it's called dynamic cutting. Very fast. Bottom of material below the large curve. And this laser all around, I need to put the aluminum coil around there. Thank you for watching. Here you can see the setup of my router machines. Here is a sub-platform. It's about 3 inches above the base platform, the T-slot table. Because if this blanket material sit on the T-slot table, is too low for it to be milled. So there is a platform here, and the surface of this aluminum board is about 10 to 12mm thicknesses, and the surface is milled and flattened. And here you can see this angle or aluminum extrusion, very thin, as a flange. And here, and the board is placed, and the material is placed inside the flanges. And there are some dowel pin holes drilled on the platform, and here I insert 2 dowel pins 3 mm in diameters, and here there are 2 holes for locations. So once the first side was milled, I can flip it over and use the hole as a location to continue the millings on the bottom side. Now here the parts was milled, and you can see. And in the previous milling processes, it takes much more time in other operations, but in milling this gear shape, I use the high-speed cutting, 2D high-speed cutting or dynamic cutting, and it did it very fast. Thank you for your watching.